What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am about to do an unboxing. Okay, bam. In today's video, I ain't got no earrings in. I feel so naked. Okay, in today's video, I'm about to do an unboxing. So let's just get right into it. Salt Air sent me a package. Can you guess? Can you guess what's in here? Something orange, exactly. Okay. I love their packaging. So this says, are you ready for a juicy summer? Introducing our exotic pulp nourishing body oil and our exotic pulp fine fragrance body mists. Oh shit. So I have a card here. I already opened the body oil, and this is their body mist. Oh my goodness. And they also sent me a little brush, exfoliating dry brush. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so that was the box. Thank you so much, Salt Air, for sending me this. I love all of your packages. I love your brand, and it really just works for my skin. And so yeah, let me just tell you, I never ordered their exotic pulp body wash because I was just like, orange, I don't really know if that's my scent. You feel me? It's my scent. It is, it really is. It's my scent. So this says bright and tangy, fresh with juicy exotic pulp. It's like a sweet tropical escape. The notes are juicy orange, guava, and driftwood. Our exotic pulp fragrance is now available in a body oil and a body mist. So bam. And it is orange. It definitely smells like oranges, but it's a good orange. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is. This is something that I would wear, like, because when I saw the body wash, I was like, orange, I don't really know if that's for me, but this is definitely for me. Okay, and it has the same packaging, the same glass packaging as the other two. So I have Sental Bloom and I also have Pink Beach. Those are so wonderful, and this is the same thing. It's a nice dry down oil. I love dry down oils, especially in the summertime, because you don't want to keep rubbing on your body. You rub it a couple of times, and because it's a dry oil, it's gonna dry down very quickly. Ain't nobody outside, like, why are you even, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's too hot. But anyway, yeah, so the next thing, and this is a decent size for a body spray. So this is the Exotic Pulp Fine Fragrance Body Mist. It's in the tin foil, the foil, whatever, not tin foil. I don't know what their packaging is, but I really, aluminum. And here's the ingredient list. Not that big at all. We definitely appreciate that. And I can read everything on here. It says alcohol, fragrance, water, central, limonene, and linalool. Bam, that's it. So let's see. I don't have anything on right now. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely giving summer scent. You can only wear this in the summertime, like literally. Definitely giving summer scent. I really like this one. However, I do want to try the other scents that they have. So they have Pink Beach, and they also have Sental Bloom in this scent as well. Yes, I'm definitely going to get Sental Bloom and Pink Beach are definitely my favorites so far. I have Sental Bloom everything, and I also have Pink Beach everything. So I have, except for the sprays, I don't have the sprays, but I have the body oil, I have the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. Yeah. And I definitely have to get some of the travel stuff, some of the travel size stuff too, but I'm gonna hold off on that because I don't need to re-up anything. So yeah, but I am definitely looking forward to using this oil. Oh my goodness. And they last so long. I'm right here halfway with my Pink Beach and my Sensual Bloom. So the fact that I was like, you know what, I need to stock up, I need some more, and bam, they sent me one. So thank you so much, Salt Air team, for thinking about me and sending me your products. I love everything you send me. Everything you send me is so good, and I actually use everything that y'all have. Still waiting on y'all to get the body oils and the body sprays in Target, but it's no rush. But yeah, thank you so much, y'all, for sending me this. Like, I genuinely appreciate it, and this just makes me so happy. Like, oh my goodness, when I saw this on my doorstep, I was like, Kyla Trees, I haven't ordered anything, and then bam, I seen it with Salt Air. I love y'all so much. So yeah, y'all, make sure they're a really good clean brand too. And for my black girlies, if you don't think the shampoo and conditioner is for you, it definitely is. Okay, the Sensual Bloom conditioner, it feels like a deep conditioner, so it definitely is going to work for your hair. Okay, so I know some of us are like, oh, I'm a black girl, I don't know if their shampoos and conditioners is gonna work for me. Yes, they're gonna work for you. Yes. Alright, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Trees 98, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.